Hey everybody, Alex here. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? This is infrastructure. This is the Pacific Fair in the Gold Coast, and massive infrastructure. All this someone had to pay for. It's massive. Look at that. And the point is, there is cost of doing everything. Cost of building this and cost of running the business. I spoke to somebody the other day that actually spent close to $40,000 on a sandwich shop, which essentially is the size of a phone booth where they can make sandwiches and make coffee for people. And they're working close to a 50-hour week. And they spent a fortune on that business, right? And they're actually making like $500-600 a week. It's just nothing. And it just makes me realize that the cost of starting an Amazon business is really very low in terms of everything else, right? Just in terms of like a $50 fee every single month, especially for Amazon Australia. That's nothing to start a business, right? Some people think, oh, $50 a fee, you know, that's a lot of money. Well, guys, Amazon isn't for you, but that's cheap. To get started on a business, that's bloody cheap. And you don't have to rent a retail store here. You don't have to hire staff. You don't have to buy a whole bunch of stock. They've got to stock stuff here. They're forced to stock here. Otherwise, you'll walk into an empty store. Selling on Amazon is really a no-brainer in terms of starting an e-commerce physical product business. It's a no-brainer. Guys, coming to you from beautiful Surf Paradise. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.